Hello, Tech Savvy. Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to draw a Christmas tree in MS Paint. Are you looking to add a festive touch to your digital art? Drawing a Christmas tree in MS Paint can be a fun and creative way to celebrate the season. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this video will guide you through the process step by step. You'll learn how to create a colorful and vibrant Christmas tree that will brighten up your digital canvas. In this video, we'll explore different methods to draw your Christmas tree. You can choose the one that suits your style best. We'll use various tools available in MS Paint, making it easy for anyone to follow along. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a beautiful Christmas tree ready to be shared with friends and family. Let's dive in and get started on this festive project. Open MS Paint on your computer. Select the Polygon tool from the Shapes menu. Select the color one and choose a green color for the tree using the color palette. Draw the outline of the Christmas tree shape by clicking 3 points to create a triangle. Fill the triangle with the Paint Bucket tool for a solid green color. Select the Rectangle tool and choose a brown color for the trunk. Draw a rectangle at the bottom center of the tree shape for the trunk. Use the Circle tool to create colorful ornaments on the tree. Choose different colors and place the circles around the tree. Select the star shape from the Shapes menu for the tree topper. Choose a yellow or gold color and place the star at the top of the tree. Save your artwork by clicking on File and selecting Save As. Choose a file format and give your artwork a name, then click Save. Now you have your very own Christmas tree drawn in MS Paint. Share your creation with friends or use it as a festive greeting card. Enjoy your holiday season. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.